Hello, my name is Ken Harrison. I'm the President and CEO here at GNB Corporation. I want to show you one of the new pieces of equipment that we recently acquired. We're here in our brand new clean room and we have a brand new welding lathe. This is different than an orbital welder in the fact that this is excellent for rapid prototyping. It's very good for short-run production work. One of the beautiful things about this piece of equipment is that you can do pulse TIG welding. In other words, the part moves and you don't put as much heat input into because the weld puddle pulses instead of dragging the puddle with you when it moves. So similar in some ways to orbital welding, but it's a much more versatile machine because the hardware and the tooling is very flexible, so you can run a wide variety of parts. Now I'd like to introduce Danny Mai, our weld shop lead, who will demonstrate the operation of this new machine. Thank you, Danny, for that demonstration. This is a fully automatic machine. It makes very high quality welds. We can use this on stainless steel or aluminum parts. For all of your tube welding needs, your saddle welding needs, your pipe and gas line needs, if you have a short run, a prototype, we have an excellent setup right here that we can use to make a quick run for you. For all of your needs, please visit us at our website, www.gnbvac.com, or give us a call.